Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Das. I read in class 5 and I am also a student of EFA. And here my topic is my aim in my life. In future, my aim is to become a teacher as the national profession of India. Because most of the students are taught by teachers to become the future of our country. There are many professions that is only made by teachers because they teach us very well and kindly. I would like to give you an examples called doctor, engineer, army. They are actually selected because of studies, and the teachers helped us to study very perfectly. So I think my aim is to be a teacher because I want to teach students and I want that my students become the future of our country. Thank you everyone.